Hey, welcome back, peeps. So in this video, we're gonna make another cookie to add to our cookies for Santa tray plate. This was gonna be pretty simple, easy. It's only one cookie I'm gonna show you guys. It's a wreath cookie, and we're gonna see how this go. Let's pray for the best. So you're gonna need some green spackle fake icing frosting. You're gonna need to have some salt dough cookies. I made round cookies and then I cut the middle part out with another round cookie, right? Got a couple of those. You're gonna need some of these little foam beads. These are from Dollar Tree. These are just some that I have in a baggie. You're gonna need to get a bow. I made this little bow for each wreath with this little mold right here. If I find it on Amazon, I will leave the link above so you can buy some. And you're gonna need some little bit of sprinkles. I got these gold beads that I'm gonna use, and let's see how this turns out. So you're just gonna get, I'm using tip number 69. It's a Wilton tip. It's like a leaf tip. And I don't know if I want to hold this in my hand. Hold on, let me get a plate right here. Because I don't want to hold it in my hand and mess it up. So I think I'm just going to put it on this plate right here real quick. And maybe hold it up so you guys can see what I'm doing. So basically, I'm just going to go around it. This is not really the tip that I had in mind for this, but I couldn't find the tip that I wanted, and I wasn't going to go out and buy one because I'm not going to be using it that often. But you see that? You're just going to go around. Now let's find a spot where we want the bow to go on, and we stick the bow on there because you know this spackle dries pretty fast. Let me cover this up for a minute while we decorate this one. See, this is how it looks. And I'm going to put a little bit of sprinkles on there. Just, you know what? Let's put some of these foam beads. You're going to have to be careful and put these on like individually. Like, boom. You know, go around and just put them by hand, because if you sprinkle them on, you might sprinkle too many. I mean, you can put as many as you want. That's totally up to you. Uh-oh, see? Okay, I want to pick it up, but kind of don't want to mess up the... Let's see if I can pick it up and show you guys what it looks like. See that? Okay. Now I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna put it over here. So you know what? Let me get another one of these. And hold on. Let me take this out of here. Wipe it down. Okay. So we're gonna leave that one there. And I know you guys are always asking me where I get these foam plates from. I get them from Dollar Tree. Okay. It comes like 30 or something in a pack. I love them. I just reuse them until can't use them no more. Some of them got, like, look at this one. I just reuse it until it looks at the point where I'm like, yeah, I can't look at that no more. Then I throw it out and get another one. Let me wipe the tip. I hate having stuff already on there. So here I go again. I'm basically just pushing on it and going around. And just going around. And that's it. There's other ways to do it, and maybe next time I'll show you guys when I have the proper tip. But I didn't want to, you know, I wanted you guys to have another cookie. So I'm gonna put some gold. Oh, I didn't put no diamond dust on. What is going on here? No, honey. All right. But that just looks like sugar. I'm putting some gold beads on this one because I want to. And let's see. I'll show you how it looks in a minute. One more. Right here. Where am I? I don't want to touch the... And then have a... Alright. Here's the next one. See it? Pretty. Put it over there. I need another one. I just don't want to be, because you know green, it gets on everything, and then you got something white, it'll just mess it up. All right, so we got one more cookie, and then that's it, guys. Then that's another cookie we got. I know it's green and stuff, and we just made green trees, but I kind of didn't think about that when I when I made the cookies. But just go around. That's all. Squeeze as you go. And there you go. So I got one more bow, which I'm gonna put right in the middle again. And then I'm just gonna put some regular sprinkles on this one, like how we did the other Christmas trees. Just some regular old sprinkles. And then that's gonna be it. Throw some diamond dust on there. And that's it. Pretty simple. See, another daggone. Even though I thought I cleaned it out. Another purple sprinkle got on there. Alright. Throw some diamond dust on there. And I'm going to show you all three of them. Why am I moving all of those? Move this one over here. So here you go, guys. Wreath cookies to add to our cookies for Santa tray. Boom. That was pretty easy to make. Let's not waste this diamond dust here. Alright. So that was it, guys. I have like, I think one more cookie or so to make. And we should have enough cookies for our cookies for Santa. But there'll be other things in between, alright? So, guys, until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, keep crafting. God bless you guys. Bye.